To perform the dumbbell carry, start with your chest upright, your shoulders up and back in a strong, firm grip on the dumbbells. Don't let them sag forward or backward, and keep your core engaged as you step into the movement, controlling your breathing. Walk like you would normally, but with a strength that keeps your body upright and not forward. The dumbbell carry is a foundational exercise to teach the core, the glutes, the shoulders, and your arm muscles to all work together as a unit. It's also great for increasing your grip strength. I've got some dumbbells and some gravity. Let's get after it. The dumbbell carry is a very foundational and very important exercise for being able to perform everyday tasks and keep your core, glutes, and back working together well as a unit. Notice how while Katie's standing here, she has a firm grip on her dumbbells. She's not letting them sag forward or backward. Also, she's got her chest upright nice and tall. She's got her shoulder blades pulled up and back. And then when she steps, she's gonna keep her core strong and engaged and controlling her breathing. Let's see it, Katie. Excellent work.